When is National Unity Day celebrated in India every year? October 31. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as National Unity Day? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel served as the first Dash of India. Deputy Prime Minister. Vallabhbhai Patel was born in which Indian state? Gujarat. Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known by which nickname? Iron Man of India. Which movement was led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Bardoli Satyagraha. Which session of the Indian National Congress was presided over by Vallabhbhai Patel? Karachi, 1931. The Sardar Sarovar Dam is a gravity dam built on which river? Narmada. Which is the approximate height of the Statue of Unity? (182 meters). Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the first Dash of India. Home Minister. The National Unity Day was first introduced by the Government of India in which year? 2014. Vallabhbhai Patel was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna in which year? 1991.